If you've been on the internet at all recently, you will have seen AIO being spoken about. And it's something that Squarespace has been promoting a lot recently. And in this video, I'm going to be explaining what AIO is and how you can actually use it to your advantage in order to grow your business. Getting straight into it, AIO stands for AI optimization, which is just the process of optimizing your online presence, optimizing your website, in order to show up in AI search engines such as ChatGPT, as you can see here, which is super important because, in fact, ChatGPT itself alone has 4.6 billion visits every single month, and there's around 2.5 billion searches every single day into ChatGPT. So your target customers are searching online for whatever you offer, not just on Google, but also on AI search engines like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini. So as a business owner in 2026 and beyond, you need to make sure you're focusing on how to get your businesses found in these search engines, which is what I'm going to be walking you through in this video. Now, to give you a basic example, let's say I need a haircut and I'm looking for a barber near me. I would type in something like best barber near me. I would type it into ChatGPT, really similar to Google. As you can see, it's going to look and it's going to find the best barbershops near me. I'm currently based in Dubai, and actually it just provided one recommendation. Another example, I've typed in grocery store near me, and you can see it's given me a grocery store. And even above here, you can see it's actually giving a map of different barbers. So these AI search engines function very similar to Google. However, your target customers no longer have to click on your website in order to learn about you. You actually can get recommended in AI search engines without them even clicking on a website at all. They get the recommendation, and as easy as that, your target customers get the recommendation that they're looking for. Now, I appreciate this is a whole new world that may be a little bit confusing, especially when you consider that ChatGPT has recently released ChatGPT Atlas, which actually has the ability in order to complete searches for you. So as you can see here, I've asked it to find the best marathon shoes from Nike for men, and I've actually asked it to find size 12 shoes to add it to my cart. ChatGPT Atlas actually has the ability, it's a whole new browser similar to Chrome, and it actually has the ability in order to search the internet and do tasks that you ask it to do. So we not only need to be thinking about how we can get found in AI search engines, we also need to be thinking about how we can get these AI agents to find us and do stuff on our website so target customers can find out who we are and ultimately buy from us. So in order to make sure that you've got some actionable steps of how to actually do AIO on your Squarespace website, what I'm going to do now is walk you through 3 things that you can do in order to get your Squarespace site found in AI search engines. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you over to SEO Space. SEO Space is the SEO tool for Squarespace. And if I actually head over to SEO and AIO tasks, and then head over to recommended tasks, you can see there's actually 3 AIO recommended tasks that you can do on SEO Space that I'm going to walk you through now. Now, the first thing we're going to look at is audit what AI search engines know about you. What I want you to do to begin with in order to start this process is choose an AI search engine, and I want you to ask what that AI search engine knows about you. So for example, I'm going to do it for my business SEO Space. We're just going to take this prompt and we're just going to ask, tell me what you know about SEO Space, and include links to your sources. Because essentially what this is going to do, it's going to allow you to understand what does AI know about your business right now, and ultimately give you an action plan in order to figure out how you can improve its understanding. And what I then want you to do is go through all the information that AI is giving here, and you can see it's listing the sources. And if any of this information is incorrect or isn't how you want your brand to be known online, you can actually go to these sources and either reach out to the website owners, or let's say it's on your website or on your social media. You can actually edit the content so that the sources that AI is pulling from are actually accurate and represent how you want your business to be known. Now, to really take that to the next level, you can actually analyze the sources behind the AI search results for your website and your competitors, and make sure you're included in all the places that your competitors are listed, as well as also do this secret step. Now, what I want you to do for whatever you offer, I want you to ask the AI search engine what it looks for when recommending whatever you offer. So let's take the Dubai barber example from earlier. I would type, what do you look for when recommending a barber in Dubai? Give me a clear list so I can understand how you decide. So what you can actually do with these AI search engines, you can actually ask it to give you a really simple list of what it looks for when providing a recommendation. So for example, here it's telling me that it looked for the overall rating on Google reviews and also on Fresher. It looks for barber skill and specialization, cleanliness and atmosphere, and a number of different things that are really important for recommendation. And there's actually 10 things. And what you could do for your specific business, this essentially gives you a checklist of all the things that you need to do on your website in order to get listed on AI search engines. So for example, it says that pricing transparency is important. So if you were a barber and you wanted to get found and you didn't have the prices on your website, that actually hurts your visibility in AI search engines. So now you understand what AI actually knows about your brand. You can then compare it to the things that AI needs to know in order to recommend you to target customers, and make sure you edit the sources, i.e. you edit the things that AI is pulling from in order to understand your business, to make sure you check off all the things that it looks for when providing a recommendation. So now we've covered the first two important things. I'm now going to finish off and tell you the third most important thing when it comes to ranking in AI search engines, and that is generate and collect more reviews online. And this is really important because AI search engines and AI has no personal experience of its own. So it'll often draw from the experience of others in order to determine whether something is good or bad. So for example, AI has never used SEO space before, so it will look for reviews of others to determine if it's any good. We have over 135 star reviews, so that helps AI to understand that we're good and people like using our product. And you should be doing the same. You want to make sure that you're getting as many 5-star reviews on Google and any industry-specific review sites possible. So for example, for the barber earlier, it mentioned that it looks at reviews on Fresher, which I believe is a booking system. So if there's any industry-specific platforms in your niche where customers can review you, you need to make sure that you're getting as many reviews there as possible so that AI understands you're good and worth recommending. So there you are, everyone. That is a walkthrough of AIO and how you can get your Squarespace website featured in AI search engines. If you found this video helpful, feel free to check out SEO Space, the SEO tool for Squarespace, and subscribe to this channel. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video.